If you've been considering cosmetic surgery, you are certainly looking forward to all of those changes to your body. It helps you feel more confident, right? Today we have Dr. Kevin Rose and also Susan Brighton. She's a nurse practitioner from the Rose Clinic and Rose Spa to share the importance of being at your healthiest weight before surgery. This is interesting. Dr. Rose, it's good to see you. Welcome back to the show. Okay, so why is that so important? Why should you be at your best weight?
Well, it's basically to make sure you get the best possible outcome, because surgery is not for weight loss, as everybody knows. And so what we like to do is make sure that patients have their BMI about 30 or less, because what we're mostly concerned about is making sure that when we intervene, we're going to get the best possible outcome and not have any complications and be as safe as possible. Okay,
so how does not being at your ideal weight affect your results?
Well, the reason why is because if you're overweight, what happens is the fat cells, when you lose weight, they just decrease their size. They don't really go away. And so when blood perfuses into tissue, the little capillaries are closer to each other, so the nutrients, the oxygen can get to the area that's trying to heal much easier. So when you lose weight, you get down to a BMI that's more appropriate. You can perfuse your tissues easier, and you're much less likely to have any kind of a healing problem. And it's also you're less likely to have blood clot problems, which apparently is becoming more of an issue with COVID, apparently.
And this is what you want when you're paying for a procedure like that. You want the optimal results. You have a brand new nurse practitioner. Would you introduce Susan?
Susan Brighton. Yeah,
you're excited to have her.
It's so good. I've always wanted to have someone that could help people, because I have people that come in all the time and they say, you know, I really want to have surgery, and I just say, you know, you just really need to lose more weight, and we just send them on their way, and I always feel bad because it's like, I just wish that we had something in-house to help them, and now we do.
Now you have part of the process, and tell us about this, Susan. How do you help patients achieve their goals when they come to you before surgery?
Yeah, so I mean, as we've experienced, patients have been disappointed that they haven't been able to lose the weight, or disappointed when they hear they can't have the surgery that they've been hoping for. And so here at the Rose Clinic, we now offer in-house consultations. We offer them different procedures, different labs that makes it individualized, so we can help them achieve their goals, so then they can have optimal results.
Okay, tell us, give us a couple tips and tricks. What are you telling them? What are the best ways that you feel like are to getting those goals and losing that weight?
Yeah, getting your goals. So it's pretty amazing when you work with somebody one-on-one. We help them individually, and everybody's so different. And even Dr. Rose would say each of his procedures are different, and we want them to have optimal outcomes. So we take each individual person and we recommend supplements, we recommend sleep and water, behavior modifications. We help them maybe boost their metabolism so they can continue on their journey to their happiest, best self.
Isn't it crazy? You could do something, your best friend does the same thing, and they're losing weight and you're not?
Yeah.
It's so true. It totally depends. There's not a one-size-fits-all approach.
Yeah.
Let's talk about what makes the Rose Clinic so different and special.
Well, you know, I think what I have always prided myself in is making sure that I am up to date with the latest and best technologies. So, you know, ongoing, you know, medical education is super important, and then not just getting the knowledge, but then, you know, basically adapting that to the clinic. So at the Rose Clinic, when you come, you're going to get the best, most up-to-date information about what is out there for plastic surgery.
An amazing experience, everybody. If you'd like to check it out, Susan, what promotions do you have going on right now?
Yeah, for the month of November, we have up to $400%, $400.
400% would be a lot of percents.
$400 off of our weight loss packages and treatments, so we can help you reach your goals.
That's a great deal, everybody. Call 801-375-7673, or you can go to theroseclinic.com to schedule an appointment. They're on all the social media, as well as now our website, abc4.com/GTU. will link you to the information. And thank you to the Rose Clinic for that sponsored interview. Thanks you too for being here.